That was just a syntax example of all the tags. Okay, it was a syntax example for all the tags. Following type of tags we have this and all. For this we will be implementing there some of the property and value, property value. So input tag we will combine with the table. Input tag which we have used, we will combine with the table. Input tag which we have used, we will combine with the table now. And we'll create some 4-5 pages, different type of design to get idea on that. Create the next file, form1.html. Create the next file, form1.html. Form1.html. In which folder? Under the input tag folder. Input element folder, you will create a file, form1.html. Form1.html. Let's go under this file. HTML, you can start. You can follow the body tag here. You can follow the a table tag here. You can follow one align property for that. Use a cell spacing. Ten to 15. Come inside, write a tr, th, a, ref equal to form1 dot html form1 2 3 4 5. Form2, form3, 4, 5. Save it. Hope written. Let me know once you confirm it. Okay, 3% is ready. Right, come after the table, write another table. That should be aligned as a center. Cell padding 10. And I hope where you have written the form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you given a space also? Form 1 a space, form 2 a space. No space. Form 1 is the together. Don't give a space over there. Next, after that, write a caption CAP. One, contact us. TR, TH, lam td name, check it. We can run this file and check once what is the color and what is the look. It look like this. Heading on the top and this one is on the bottom. Contact us. Here for the first one, you can apply some cell pairing also. One file, more space will get applied. More space will get applied. Hope something like this. Add one more field. Phone number. Input type equal to number. Enter mobile number. Okay, two field appear. Add one more field for email ID. Put type equal to email. Enter email ID. Hope written 3 boxes. Input type equal to email. Next, write one text area for message purpose. TR, TH, your message, TD, text area open, text area close. Okay, added something like this. We require to add some button also. Okay, hope ready till here. Some people are slow in typing, so that I ask again and again. Anyone should not miss anything. That is the intention. Cool. Next, after that, we are going to give the same now. We are going to add the property to increase the height and width. TR, TH, call span equal to 2. Then keep a button here. Send the message. Button for send the message. Okay, call span why we have given 2? Because we want the buttons should be in the center. Okay, we want the buttons to be in the center of It should be in the center of entire form. The form you have created, the button should come in the center. See, it should come here in the middle. It's coming in the middle, center of the form. Then after that, we can use the remaining property. We can use some other property to change the width of the text box, height of the text area. Okay. Let's go right inside. For the first text box, a property called size, S-I-J-D. Using size, you can increase the width. Size, suppose 40. For mobile number, for number type, size will not work. You can write here, but this will not apply because that property is not exist. It will work for the email ID. Size equal to 40. So we can have a look once how it is coming. Let me show you first. You can see the width got increased. Number type, if you write type equal to number, that size will not work. We required help from CSS to increase the width of that. Okay. Now come to the text area. In the text area, we have a property called calls. Using calls property, you can increase the width. Try once. Using calls property, you can increase the width. Using calls property, we can increase the width. Using calls property, we can increase the width. Using rows property, we can increase the height. See, width got increased. Calls, especially for text area. Rows, ROWS. Rows will increase the height. Rows equal to maybe give 7, 8. It will increase the height. Now let us check what is the wide height. Height become bigger. Now this page look meaningful. If we click form 1, this page will appear. Yes, object ones.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Hmm.
Actually, I am also giving size 40 for full name and email ID, and for text area also I'm giving 40. But my text area is coming greater than full name and email ID in size.
There you
It could
cannot
be a
that will be little here there. It is not based on
okay.
that based on your screen picturization. Picturization, what is that? Pixel. Okay.
It could be a
Some screen will have very high density pixel. Some screen will have low density pixel. Okay. So if the density is low, then it
okay.
will look like a smaller. If density is high, it will look bigger. But if we use the CSS for percentage wise or pixel wise, there it will not be different. It will look similar. Okay. So
Sure,
now
sir.
using the number directly, it may be little here there.
Okay. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now after that, so this table is ready. We can leave it now. In this which property we have used placeholder. You have written here enter full name, mobile number, email ID. Here we have not added placeholder in text area. We can add a placeholder under the text area also. Placeholder equal to enter your query message. Enter your query message. Okay, hope ready. Let's go ahead. Placeholder is coming here also. Placeholder will work on the behalf of your value. Suppose if I enter the value here, placeholder will go. If you enter the value, placeholder will go. If you remove the value, placeholder will go. Next, you have a property called max length. Max length. Okay. Max length, what is the meaning of that? How that works? Using the max length, we can limit. Using the max length, we can limit the number of character, how many the user can enter. Using max length, we can limit the number of characters, how many characters the user can enter. Okay, so we will go down and there will use the max length for the full name. Max length equal to 30. So user cannot enter their name more than 30 characters. User cannot enter their name more than 30 characters. Right. Next, after that, Next, after that, same max length will not work for the number property. Type as a number. If you are given type as a number, max length will not work here. Okay, suppose we give it a 10, it will not allow to enter 10. We have to control through the CSS. We have to control through the CSS, then only it will be possible. Without CSS, it will not be possible here to, through JavaScript. Through JavaScript, we can limit the width as well. Through JavaScript, we can limit the max length, and through CSS, we can limit the width. When if the type is number. If the type is number, then your size will not work. Number one. Number two, if the size is not working, then what will happen is, if the size is not working, then the text box will, mobile number field will look small, other field look bigger, it will look odd. So we have to take the help from CSS at that point. Email ID both will work. Size was already working. Max length will work here. Suppose max length I given as a 30. So it will not allow more than 30. It will not allow more than 30. Next, after that, come down for the text area also max length will work. Max length equal to 100. Here also the max length is going to work. Okay, hope ready. Okay, now check now. Your name cannot be more than 30 character. Email will also not take more than 30 character. Address will not take more than 100 character. If I go here, name will not take more than 30 character. Anything you type, maximum 30 character. Email will not take more than 30 character. Message will not take more than 100 character. This will go and limit maximum 100 character. Mobile number, you can enter anything. Their properties will not work. Next, the form 1 is ready. We can go for the next file and understand the create next file form2.html. Form2.html. In that first table, you can copy and paste. Okay, first table we can copy and paste. Now after that, create the next table. Align equal to center. Self padding equal to 10. Caption h1 for the login. Customer login. Customer login. Now come down. Write an str. Write th. That is called email ID. Today input type equal to email. Email. placeholder equal to enter email ID size equal to 40. Password input type equal to password. Enter password. And fulfilled. Write the next tr th call span equal to 2. Write a button. Login. Button will appear in the middle. Which sequence login and form 1 and form 2 is working or not? Form 1 and form 2 should work properly. Both the page linking should happen. So we can check like this. We can go to the form 2 page should work. Form 1 page go, it should work. Both the page linking should not say page not found. That is also important. Just have a look once. Okay, working. Now we'll go for the next page. That is called form 3. Now go to the page till table you can copy, paste in the next file, give the file name form 3, HTML, save that form3.html, form3.html. Form 2, if anyone is going, if you are writing the code, you can let me know. I don't have any urgent to move fast. We want all should be on track. Okay, all should be on track. Everyone should be able to follow the code. Everyone should be able to write the code. That is the main intention. Okay. Next, after that, I will go to the form 3. In form 3, table to table open close. Let's work on next table open and close. Keep the line equal to center. Cell padding equal to right caption H1 all register. All register. Next, after that, we can write tr, come inside, follow a th, post name. We need to write one td, input type text, input type equal to text. Keep one more here, first name and last name. Last name. Next, after that, this sequence, how it look. In one line, two will come, first name and last name. Next year, first name, last name, email ID, input type equal to email, password, input type equal to password, Already, your page look like this as well. First name, last name, email, password. Let's go ahead, add some more field. City pin code, ATR, mobile number, and then some other things. Let's add a TH. Mobile number. Next will be for TD. Input type to number. Again. Phone number. Input type equal to number only. So now how that look? It's look like this. We can add one more field called address. Add a TR, TH, address. We'll create one big text area. TD, call span equal to 3. Text area open. Text area close. Rows equal to rows equal to 10 and calls equal to 65 maybe. It should come a big text box. Okay, ready? It will bring a big text area, something like this. 65 is more, 62 you can give, or maybe 63. Next, after that, you can write a tr, th, call less than equal to 4, create a button called register. Button will come in the middle. Button will come in middle. So here is the output, register button, register login plus contact. 3 file is ready. Now this 2 file, we will work tomorrow. I'll give you one URL. Some homework is in that. Please work on that. Okay, so from the LMS website, form related designs are there. LMS Globe, IT assignment, HTML assignment, set 1, 2 you have tried, set 3, set 4. Let's work today on set 4 number, set number 4. Set number 4 you will work today, okay? Set number 4 in the LMS website where you tried HTML examples. In that set number 4 you will work today. Okay, so I'm sending you this one. 8 a.m. I'm not getting link here. Let's show you the website directly. LMS Globe HTML assignment. In LMS Globe HTML assignment, set number 1, hope you have tried. Set number 2 also some people have tried. Set number 3 don't do today. Today you do set number 4. Set number 4 you can try the basic forms. In that color combination no matter. Okay. See, background is red, green, blue, orange. Buttons are different color. You can try it. If happening, then also well. Color combination is not coming, then no need to worry. In case color combination is not coming, then in that case, nothing to worry. Just try the basic structure should come. Basic structure should be ready. Okay, basic structure should be ready. Basic structure you can try. Then we'll work on remaining. Okay, so hope these 3 pages are okay, no problem in that. Okay, cool. Then we can log out. See you tomorrow.